everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you in this tutorial how to set an alarm on a Timex Expedition digital watch just like this. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So once again, how to set an alarm on a Timex Expedition digital watch just like this one right here. An easy tutorial, but also full tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see, here's the watch. Very simply put, we want to get to the alarm section. Now there's a mode button right here. When you press the mode button, it's going to cycle through the chronograph, the timer. There are 3 alarms that you can choose from, and then back to the home screen. So we're just going to choose alarm number 1 to keep this simple, but you can choose any of the 3 alarms available. So I'm going to press mode over here until we get to alarm 1, and I'm going to release it there. Okay. Now right now it's saying that alarm 1 is off. It's not set, and it's set for the time of 1:05 p.m. Okay. So if you want to set the alarm and you're on the alarm screen of the desired alarm number that you want, what you want to do is hold down the set button over here. Okay. So you're on the alarm screen of the desired alarm number that you want. This is alarm number 1. You can use 2 or 3. It's up to you. You want to hold down the set button over here. So I'm going to hold down the set button just like that. And now, as you can see, when it starts flashing, we can set our alarm specifics. So right now, it's the hour number is flashing. So basically, there's a plus and a minus over here. And then there's something that says next over here, and then done is at the top. Okay, so we're going to change the hour by using the plus or the minus. I'm going to press plus, and now it's 2. Okay, went from 1 to 2. We increase the number. Okay, so it's 2:05 is the alarm time that is set. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go click next. Okay, and it's going to go to the minutes. So I'm going to set it for 2:10. Okay, so I'm going to push plus until we get to 2:10, just like that. I think I just spit on the camera lens. I'm so sorry about that. I don't know if it's going to come through in the video, but I definitely, let me just, whoop, there we go. Definitely got some spit on there. Okay, so it's now set to 2:10 p.m. Okay, I'm going to push next again. Okay, as you can see, it's PM or AM. You can cycle through AM or PM. It's up to you. I'm going to push next again. And then now, when we push the plus or the minus, we can cycle from daily, okay, weekdays or weekends. So daily, weekdays or weekends. I'm going to say, let's say just weekends. So I want my alarm to be set for 2:10 p.m. just on the weekends. Let's say I take a little afternoon nap and I want to wake up, which I have 4 young kids, so like I never take a nap. That's like 20 years down the line, but I'm just figuratively talking. So once you're satisfied with your alarm specifics, what you want to do is you want to hit done over here. You can continue hitting next and it'll keep cycling through all of the options over and over again. When you're happy with what you have there, hit done. Okay, so 2:10 p.m. on weekends right now. Okay, I'm gonna hit done over here, and we've now set our alarm, and it is indeed set as the alarm is on, because we have the alarm symbol there. Now when you're on the main alarm screen right here, and we're not setting it, it's just, this is the alarm screen, you can actually push these buttons to cycle between the alarm being on, like on the weekends, or off. Weekends or off. So it cycles between the alarm being off or the alarm being set to whatever you had set it to. Okay, and that's it. Whenever you want, I'm going to leave it as off because I don't want my watch going off at 2:10 p.m. Anyways, just because I'll be at work at that time, and everyone, I'm a full-time teacher, so the whole class is going to say, why is your watch going off? Anyways, yeah, believe it or not, I'm still a full-time teacher. I know, with a channel this size, I get so many questions. Why are you still working? Why are you still working? It's just me. It's just me with my channel this size. I don't have a team. It's literally just me. I do everything for my channel. And I still work full-time as an elementary school teacher. And I still spend lots of time with my kids, lots of time with my wife. And I still play video games as a hobby. But anyways, people are like, why do you still work? Like, I don't need the job by any means. But honestly, I still like it. And I have 4 young kids. So like, more money is good money in my situation. Because, you know, I have 4 mouths to feed. You know, and my wife works too, but you know, I have to support the family. So you know, believe it or not, I'm still a full-time elementary school teacher, and I'm filming this on my lunch. This time is not accurate right now. I just reset the watch. But yeah, so you know, be efficient, be effective. That's just my advice to you as a side note. And you can really do lots of things. I have no reason to leave my job right now. I can do both, full-time teaching and run this channel. So why would I leave it? In the future, like if you ask me in 5 years from now, I might have a different answer. But for right now, I'm totally fine with it. All right. Anyways, so that's how to set the alarm and how to program the alarm and turn it on and off. Sorry about that little tangent. And when you're ready to go back to the home screen, just hit mode again and you're back at the home screen. Very simple. You can hit mode once again to choose, let's say, say alarm number 2, and you can program alarm number 2 by pressing and holding the set button down. Okay, you can program the specifics, and whenever you're done, you can push the done button over here and your alarm will be programmed. Okay, very simple. Once again, hit mode to go back to the home screen, and there's the time and the date, the fake time and the fake date. It's not January 1st. That's I just reset the watch. Okay, I reset it 28 minutes ago. It says 12:28 January 1st. Anyways, that's how to set the alarm on this watch right here. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it, and from the bottom of my heart, I truly hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial, and also that you've enjoyed my little tangent of sort of like storytelling with you as well. And that is truly it. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up, double thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. I'd love to read what you have to think as a comment down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for more great videos just like this one, so you can get educated and entertained at the same time. And truly, that's it. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.